Z. You can put restrictions any of the column that if I want to find the region of south, first remove select all, south. Now we'll see the employees who are from region want to remove this filter. Simply go to sort and filter. Just click on the filter and the filter has been removed. Now see next feature. If I want all these columns to be of equal width, so what I can do is just select the area. You will see a plus sign. Just adjust the width of a column and you will see all columns are of equal width. Now same will happen with the rows also. Select the area and adjusting the width of a single row. You can see all the rows are of same width. Now let's talk about different views. There are three views. This one is normal view, and if we click on page break preview, this will show that this is page 1 and this is page 2. On page layout, you'll see you can add header. Let's suppose this is the database of ABC Limited. See, the same thing will appear here also. This is the page 1 and this is the page 2nd. So if I go back to the normal, you will see a dotted line which is showing that this will print on the first page and this will be on the second page. What's the use of this? You can, if you want to print this table, you can decide the columns that these columns will be on first page and the others one will be on the. Let's see the use of each pens. See, when I'm scrolling it downward, this first row is not visible. Serial number, date, region, employee. So if I want to freeze this, so just go to view, freeze panes, first freeze, top row, and just select this. You can see the first row is not moving as we go downward. So you can unfreeze also, unfreeze panes. Now see next feature. If you want to hide any row, let's suppose I want to hide these 11 and 12th. Just select these two, press right click, hide. You can see a dark line is appearing here, which is showing that something has been hidden. Like, uh, if I want to unhide this, just select two rows. Notice this thing. I'm selecting two rows, which is above and below the dark line. So selecting these two, press right click and unhide. Now see why these hashtags are appearing here. The reason is date is not fitting into the small area. So for that I just have to increase the width of this column. Just increasing the width, you will see now it's clearly visible. Now see sorting. Next feature. Sorting is used for arranging the data. I want to arrange this product column in alphabetical order. Just select the column, go to sort and filter, sort A to Z. You can see these are in alphabetical order. You can do same thing with other columns also. If you want to arrange this, just select this, go to sort and filter, sort smallest to largest. So this has been sorted. We can arrange by region also.